far, we have learned how to sort and filter our data and also how to enter basic formulas and functions. In this video, we will take data and turn it into charts or graphs. Let's start by taking a look at some data in a Google Sheet. To include a chart out of our data, we first need to select the data that we would like to see represented in a chart. For this example, let's go ahead and select the average scores to be selected and first and last name. To select a non-adjacent range of cells in Google Sheets, you can hold down the Control key as you select the data. Then when you jump across and skip over data, it'll only select what you've highlighted. Once we have the data highlighted that we would like to use, we can select Insert and then Chart. A chart will automatically be created for you. You can then change the chart type to fit your data. To change the chart type, use the menu to the left and select the type of chart that best fits your data. Review the other customization options to make your chart work for your data set. Once you're happy with your chart, you can move it wherever you want on your spreadsheet, and you can also resize it. To add a second chart, you would just repeat the previous steps. Select the data that you would like represented in a chart or graph, click Insert, and then Chart. A chart will be created for you, and you can then customize it to make it look how you want. We use the Explore button in Google Docs to do research. In Google Sheets, you can use the Explore button to manipulate your data. Select the cells that you would like created in your chart once again. This time, I'll just select the average. Now I'm going to click the Explore button in the bottom right-hand corner. The Explore menu will suggest charts, graphs, tables, etc. that they believe may be beneficial to you. To add any of these items to your sheet, simply click and drag them onto your sheet. So if I would like this chart and this chart, I drag and drop them on top of my sheet. If you would like a chart or graph to be on its own sheet tab, those are the tabs at the bottom. You can do so by clicking on your chart or graph and then clicking the 3 vertical dots in the upper right-hand corner. From there, select Move to Own Sheet. Once I have my chart on its own sheet tab, I may want to share just this chart with somebody else. To do that, I'm going to click Publish Chart on the Sheet tab. Here I can choose what I want to share. I can choose the entire document or a specific sheet tab. I want to choose the tab that contains Chart 1. Then I can choose how I want to share it. Let's keep it as a web page so it doesn't have to be downloaded. Then I click Publish. It'll ask if I'm sure I want to publish this section, and I can click OK. Now it gives me a link that I can share with other people. If I choose to go to this link, you'll see that it displays just that sheet tab and not the entire spreadsheet with others. I can copy and paste that link into an email message to share.